Getting your HVAC company noticed on Google isn't just about landing on the first page anymore. With zero-click searches, Google often gives users answers right in the search results, so they may never visit your website. But this shift is actually a huge opportunity if you use long-form content the right way. Start by building a main page around a key HVAC topic your customers care about, like lowering energy bills or knowing when to replace an air conditioner. Make your content easy to scan with question-style headings, short paragraphs, and clear answers right after each heading. Then, create supporting articles that answer related questions and link them back to your main page. Add a simple FAQ section at the end of every page to boost your chances of appearing in Google's featured boxes. Use plain language, define technical terms, and mention your service areas naturally. This approach helps your business show up more often, even when users don't click through.
Please share and like. It helps us get the word out and makes the algorithm really happy. Check us out at advertisemybusiness.com.